Hi guys, how you all doing? I'm gonna be showing you today how to use the adaptive cruise control and the good old school adaptive cruise control with the lane departure system. Now I should say before we start that all these three guys, they do work independently. What that means is that you can turn these on but not using the lane sense, or you can turn the lane sense or the lane departure on without having these on. They are completely separate, and we should be able to engage all of them. It doesn't necessarily that we should engage one of them in order to gain the other one. So this is the old school lane departure, which is cruise control, which is not adaptive. What that means that if the car in front of you stops or slows down, you do not slow down. It's old school cruise control. What I like about Dodge or Chrysler's or any Mopar vehicle is that you can actually engage either or. It doesn't have to be limited to one thing. And now we're on, so let's give it a try. Alright, now to turn it on, you click on this guy over here. It will give you a message, ACC Adaptive Cruise Control Ready. Then you click on Set. There you go, now it's set. It's set to 47 miles per hour. The yellow thing that is over there with the green thing is for the lane departure, which is on currently. If you can see, the car is slowing down, so I slowed down automatically. I'm not playing brakes at all. Now, I have an empty road in front of me, so the car goes a little bit faster to 47. To increase the speed, all you have to do is just click on button set till you get, like, let's say 55, okay? 55 is good. So now we're cruising 55, lane departure is on, and you can tell by that green thing over there. If I can show you further, drive assist. There we go. If I'm gonna, let's say I'm sleepy, had a long day at work, and I'm like, my car is swerving right or left, I make it swerve to right, it will correct me by itself. I'm not touching the wheel or whatsoever. Here, I'll show you another try. There we go, hands are right there. It's correcting me. Now let's turn it off. Now it's off. Now let's turn on the, I have a signal. Anyways, you can also turn on the old school cruise control, but as I told before, that does not make your car adaptive to the speed of the car in front of you. And to turn off the lane departure, you just simply click on it. It says lane sense off. Then turn it back on. There we go, now it's on. It's as simple as that. I should say that it's better to use these systems on a highway, because first you're going to be on a certain speed, and please don't rely on these things to keep you safe from accidents. These features are to help, not to prevent accidents. If your car comes with these features, or more features, or less features, if your car comes with these features, please don't keep in mind that you're going to be completely safe. No, there are a lot of times where these systems glitched and did not respond accordingly. So there was one time where I found myself like leaning toward the left, and the car did not stop me. So you have to be completely awake, completely focused on your driving. Otherwise, you might end up in a bad accident, and you don't want to have that, of course. And we're gonna try the cruise control, the old school cruise control. As I said before, to turn on the adaptive cruise control, you have like certain distances that you can choose from. Like this button over here makes the distance between you and your car in front of you relatively big, but this button over here keeps it small, and you can actually choose if you want to like keep, if you can see the bars, you can put a lot of distance or just less distance. And now we're stopping again. For turning on the old school cruise control, it's no-brainer. You just click on this button. Oh, now it's off. Now it's on. Engage, and then set. I'm gonna pick up some speed to show you that the car does not stop on the normal auto cruise control. I got some cool car in front of me. See, it does not stop, does not slow down. So I had to stop and brake. It's always better to use this guy over here. But I mean, if you don't want to use it, you can use this guy. Of course, it's your call. And I hope that video showed you how to use these things. And as I said before, you do not have to have one of the system working in order to have the other one working. They are separately. They are very independent. And that should be good. Thank you guys for watching.